Soli, here's a preview of their next big thing.
Derek and Susan, our final moments with Team Starkid. This kind of blew me away. They have tens of millions of hits on YouTube, and followers have been actually watching you this morning on Channel 2 all over the world.
Yeah, you can see right here on Tumblr, we've got a user here who's already uploaded a video of us right here on CBS. So, yeah, all over the world people are watching right now.
And now here you are in Chicago. Does it seem odd to you that you've got folks following